literature, what is the result of the related studies that we have last 2021 regarding same title as we have? I think it's correlation then. Naging resulta. Correlation between first-time voters practices develop knowledge of first-time voters 18 to 23. Who's in charge of our
study ko is mainly, mainly yung study niya po is about kung ano po yung nakaka-influence po sa mga 18 to 23 first-time voters. Kung saan po, nakita po nila doon na parang ang pinaka-nakakapag-influence po sa mga voters po ngayon is yun po yung yung mga nasa online platform.
Okay.
So doon po parang yung nagiging base po nila sa kanilang political awareness. Parang doon po sila nakakakuha ng mga knowledge. So, ayun.
So,